What's going on, traders? It's Tyler here. Today we're going to be going over MBRX on the stock ticker Molecular Biotech. This one, let's see. You can see in pre-market here it gapped up from 110 to 145, and at market open ran from 145 all the way up to 320. So why did this happen? Well, the float of this stock is 16.97 million shares. So that is optimum. We want to be under 20 million usually to see these big moves like this. They do happen above 20 million, but like I said, is optimum. They announced today that they will host a conference call to discuss significant discovery for lung cancer. So that sounds like really great news. That's good to hear all around, right? So I guess that would be why it's running up. People are getting excited. That's understandable. So we're going to discuss the 30-minute chart. We'll go ahead and start by drawing our support and resistance. We got our resistance up here at 320. We got our support right now at 195. And our median is sitting at about 260. Looks about right. Now we can see that we're sitting above the Kijunsen here, the moving average, and the VWAP. We're sitting just above the VWAP here. And the VWAP is the average price traded throughout the day. Now, if you're holding shares, you're looking to go long on the stock tomorrow, you're looking to scalp it, you're looking to get in, whatever the case may be. First thing that, for me, what I want to see is, since we're above the Kijunsen moving average and Kijunsen, and the cloud is still blue, and it looks to be, it's not too big and it's not too small, so it's just right. Those are all bullish signals, right? But do we want to just hop in the trade? Do we just want to hop in because all those are looking bullish? No, we don't. We need extra confirmation, right? So what's the next thing we want to see? Those are all great, but what's the next thing that we need to see? We need to see a break and close above the median here at 260. We need to see a break and close above that median at 260. Have a alert here at 260, or watch the momentum scanner, whatever you got to do. When you see that happen, next thing you want to look for, you don't want to just hop in the trade, because it could just swing back down and you didn't get any extra confirmation, right? So what you want to do is wait for it to close, like I said. Then you want to see it pull back, whenever that may be. You want to see it pull back and retest that 260, that median. Once you see it retest off that zone, look for the bullish momentum to kick back in. And what you do, or what I do, is I wait for that momentum to kick in and push past the pullback point, wherever that may be, and I have my stop order ready a little bit above the pullback point, and I ride that momentum up to the next resistance up here. Now, everybody has a different strategy. Everybody does this different. For me, I personally either sell all of my position or 3/4. And if I sell 3/4, I'll wait to see if we break again. And then simply I wait to check to see if we have a retest of that 320 level. And basically I wait for that repeat pattern that happened here. I wait for that to happen here. Again, I wait for the bullish momentum to kick in. Sometimes I'll add my 3/4 position back here. Sometimes I'll just hold on to that 1/4. But by selling 3/4 here, or all of my position, then I'm securing profits, right? That way you can take that extra risk up here if you want. You have a choice now. Where before you didn't have a choice, now you have a choice to take that extra trade. So those are the two bullish trades that I would look for tomorrow. Now, if you're somebody that shorts stocks, sometimes I short stocks. What you're going to want to look for is, you can see that there's heavy sellers at 320, got rejected really hard, went all the way back down here to the moving average at 195. But then you have really strong buyers and push it back up with that large candle here. But since then, and this, to keep in mind, this was all, this move from here to here was all done in after hours. So that's interesting as well. Now, again, let's go back to what I was talking about. If you're looking to go short in the stock, what you're going to want to see, basically, right now, all the bullish signal indicators are bullish. So that's one thing you want to keep in mind. But for me, what I want to do to short this thing, what I absolutely need to see is a break back below the VWAP, moving average, and Kijun-sen here. And this is Ishimoku indicator, if you guys don't know. Now, once you see that break back below, like this candle did here, once you see that break back below, next thing you want to see is a break and close below the 195, right? You don't want to just hop on a trade here in case it just comes right back and you get wiped out, right? So you don't want to do that. What you want to do is you want to see it come down, close below 195, break and close below 195. Then you want to see it have a one last attempt of breathing air, right? Because if it just goes down here, you miss the move, obviously. So it wouldn't even matter. So when you see that closing a break, next you should be watching it. If you have an alert set or whatever the case may be, look for that break and close below 195. Then you want to see it come back on a retest. That way you can get ready and get ready to get set up to take the trade. That's what's called a trade setup, right? Now, the next thing we're looking for is we're looking for it to get rejected off this new resistance here, using this recent support as new resistance. Once you see that, once you see bearish momentum kick in, you want to see it push past this point. Again, just like up here, I have my stop order a little bit ahead, and I ride that momentum down to the support down here at 140. And that's the only short move that I really would look for now. So, hope this video helped everybody. If it did, be sure to hit that like and subscribe. Talk to you later. Have a wonderful day. Hey there, you must have liked this video. If you did, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe so you can get more videos just like this one.